Welcome to Calm Within. Today, we'll take 5 minutes together for a simple mindfulness reset. This gentle practice will help you release stress, restore focus, and find inner calm. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest naturally. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let's begin. Start by bringing your attention to your body. Notice the contact
Music
between your
licensing
body and the surface
reimagined.
beneath you. Take a slow breath in and exhale fully. With each breath, allow your body to relax a little more. Now, bring awareness to your surroundings without judgment. Notice the sounds, the temperature, and the sensations of this moment. Simply observe without needing to change anything. We'll gently scan the body for tension. Start with your head. Notice any tightness. Let it soften. Move to your shoulders. Let them drop naturally. Scan down your arms, your chest, your stomach. Release tension as you breathe. Notice your legs and feet. Allow each part of your body to relax deeper with each
Music
exhale.
licensing
If your mind
reimagined.
drifts, gently bring your focus back to your body and your breath. Place one hand on your belly, one hand on your chest. Breathe naturally. Notice how your belly rises and falls. Let your breath be gentle and aware. If thoughts appear, acknowledge them and let them pass like clouds in the sky. Return your attention to the rhythm of your breath. Allow yourself to be here in this moment. Slowly open your eyes when you're ready. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Even 5 minutes of mindfulness can bring peace and clarity to your day. Thank you for practicing with me today.
Music licensing
on Calm Within.
reimagined.
If this session brought you calm, please like, share, and subscribe for more weekly practices. Remember, calm is always within you. Before we close today's session, I want to share something special with you. If you enjoyed this practice, you'll find many more simple, science-based tools for stress relief, mindfulness, and inner peace in my book. Stop the Stress: 8 Weeks to Reclaim Calm, Energy, and Control of Your Life. This book is a gentle guide designed to help you create lasting calm, restore your energy, and take
Music
control of
licensing
your life
reimagined.
1 week at a time. It includes guided exercises, mindfulness techniques, and practical advice that you can integrate into your daily routine. If you're ready to transform your relationship with stress and invite more peace into your life, you can find my book in the link in the description below. Thank you for being here today. Your presence matters. And remember, calm is always within you. Remember, calm is always within you. If you enjoyed today's session, please give this video a thumbs
Music
up
licensing
and share it with
reimagined.
someone who might need a moment of calm today. Don't forget to subscribe to Calm Within and turn on notifications so you never miss a new practice. And if you want more guided mindfulness exercises and tools to reduce stress, explore my book. The link is in the description below. Thank you for being here. Until next time, take a deep breath and remember, calm is always within you.